I am LC. Welcome to my channel. Today we are trying out some products from a company that you may or may not heard of. They are a little small, but they have some really cool stuff, and that is Makeup Monsters Cosmetics. Now, I found them from Instagram. I'm not exactly sure how I came across them, but I did, and I love them. And then I had a friend on Instagram who posted some pictures of their swatches and wearing a couple of the lipsticks from this company, and I said, you know what? Yes, those look beautiful. I need to get my hands on them right now. So I got 4 items from them. One is a soft satin lip, and it is in the shade Peekaboo. It's this bright, almost pastel, whatever, neon pink. I don't know what you want to call it, but it is my kind of pink. The next thing I got is a Moonlit Metals lip topper, which is basically like, if you've ever seen Lime Crime's Diamond Crushers, which I actually have reviewed on this channel, they are kind of similar to that. It's like a sparkly lip topper that you put on top of a lipstick or wear it by itself. I also got one of their highlighters. They had quite a few to choose from, and they had a couple different categories, I believe. I got mine in the category of most intense, or I don't know what you want to call it. Basically, that's kind of what it sounded like on the website. They had like more sparkly, not as sparkly, stuff like that. The next thing I got is the Green Kitten Mini Liquid Lip Bundle, and it comes with 5 of their mini matte liquid lips. The colors just called to me. I believe that they also have an orange one as well, which is like oranges and reds and stuff like that, which look just as beautiful, but I'm more into this green grungy type of stuff, you know, so I went with this one. I do want to add that the packaging for all of these is just perfect. It is so unique and interesting, and I'm really in love with it. And like the little kitty, come on. I also did post a picture of me wearing the Peekaboo soft satin lip. So if you want to see that on, you can go ahead and check out that picture. I'm not going to put it on today, only because we do have quite a few to try out already. And you know, if you want to see it, you can see it. I'm in love with it. It's gorgeous. Ooh, it is a cream highlight, just so you know. As of right now, they only have the option of a cream highlighter. Now, I got mine in the shade Loot. I am going to go ahead and, ooh, that's pretty. I think it is going to be more subtle than I was expecting, but that's okay. The big question though is, how does it react with the powder products on my face? Because I powder everything. I'm an oily girl. I can't help it. So, you know, yeah. And let's just start putting it on. That's actually blending in pretty nicely. It's not getting all patchy or anything. And ooh, that is actually really nice. Okay, all right. And it is working with the powder products on my face pretty good. I mean, you can see it sticking to some little spots here and there, but nothing too bad. I do have a feeling that you can build this up, you can tone it down, you can do what you want with this for the most part. I would really love to see what it looks like on just my bare skin. I love, love, love cream highlighters when I'm just having a natural day. You know, just a natural day where you put on highlighter. I have to say, I'm really liking it. And for the price, 10 bucks, you really can't go wrong. It looks pretty, it looks gorgeous. They have so many other shades as well. So if you want to try it out, I mean, 10 bucks. So now let's get into this little bundle right here. All right, so the first one we're gonna go in with is Pretty Ghoul. And I love that name. I'm sorry, it's just, I love it so much. The applicator is definitely interesting, where it's got that pointy tip, which is perfect for those sharp lines. All right, so that is Pretty Ghoul on my lips, and this color is everything. I love it. It's got that grungy gray. I love it so much. Already drying down. It's so pretty. It feels nice on my lips so far. It was very opaque with one swipe. I mean, you saw that it just went right on, very pigmented. I'm not seeing any patchiness at all. It's going good so far. All right, so this next one is called Revere, and it looks like the perfect dusty rose pink, just, you know, so pretty. All right, so this is Revere on my lips, and this is probably gonna be my favorite one out of all of them. I can already tell you that right now. For me, it is pretty much the your lips but better type of lipstick. I mean, you could almost be like, dude, are you wearing lipstick? Are you? I really wasn't expecting this, and it feels really nice on my lips too. I don't feel like it's not drying and just getting all crunchy and icky. It's not doing that at all, which I'm so thankful for. I am so excited about these first two. I want to move on to the next ones. Let's keep going. Let's do this. All right, so the next one is Grave Mistake, which looks like a brown type of nude. Yes, oh yes. Alright, so this is Grave Mistake on my lips, and girl, I can't even handle this right now. I have never worn a dark, deep brown nude like this. Is this even called nude? No, this is just brown, right? Yeah, it's just brown. I have never worn a color like this on my lips, and I can't stop staring at myself. This looks so beautiful. And did you see how opaque that was? Oh my God, so pigmented. Like one swipe. 3 out of 5 so far have been a hit. Okay, so the second to last one is called Decay, and this is a green. It's a different type of green. It looked like Decay. That's, but in a good way, in a good way. I mean that in a good way. All right, so this is Decay on my lips, and can I just say how obsessed I am with this? So far, none of these lipsticks have been patchy, they haven't been super drying, they haven't been streaky, they have been going on so beautifully. The applicator is wonderful for getting those sharp lines around the edges and getting really precise. I am just, whew. All right, so our last one for this video is Blood Rose, and it is this gorgeous red, deep, almost a brown type of red. So this is the last one, Blood Rose on my lips, and I can officially say that all of these colors were beautiful, gorgeous. Ooh, I am so in love with this bundle. I really do think that if you are at all interested after this video, or even before this video, maybe you've heard of them before, try out the bundle. They have this one, which is the green kitten, and then they have the orange kitten as well. I would highly, highly suggest. These colors are just everything. But you know what? Now that this is dried down, I am going to go ahead and try out the lip topper. The applicator isn't quite as big or as potted as the other ones, but it's definitely still got that pointy tip, which I like. Oh my gosh. Okay, oh my gosh, this is insane. I am so in love with this. It went on so smooth. I don't know how to describe it other than the fact that some of the Line Crime Diamond Crushers are really beautiful, but the way that they go on can be a little bit dispersed. You kind of have to layer it up, where this just whoop. This one is in the shade Confetti. It looked like the most glittery and rainbowy and just everything I wanted. I feel like this one would be perfect over any lip color because clearly... Alright, so it is pretty late in my house. I do need to wrap up this video, but I do have to say I am ending this on a great note. This has been a wonderful tryout. I don't think I have had a new brand tryout in a while that just worked so perfectly. I mean, just everything was so great. I can't even describe, guys, how much I like these lips. They are so comfortable. They feel so good. They look so good. If you have not heard of Makeup Monsters Cosmetics, you should really check them out on Instagram or their website, which I will link both down below so that you can go ahead and take a look if you're interested. I do want to mention that I know I raved a lot about these products, probably more than I needed to. I am not sponsored. There's nothing going on here other than me trying out something new and falling in love with them. I guess that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And yeah, until next time, stay flawless, guys.